Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at how we can do duplex printing using Breeze Hub. Now, duplex printing is a way to print on the front and back side of paper with printers that support it. And that could be a way to print little custom greeting cards like this very basic example I've knocked up. So we've got some custom text on the front, a little smiling face on the back, and then on the inside, I've got some photos and a message that says, I just wanted to say hello. So this was printed on an A4 laser printer, but you could also use this same concept to do things like ID card printing on plastic card printers, where you could print the photo on the front and then the company information on the back. So this will work for Breeze Booth and Breeze Remote Pro, and it uses the watch folder function in Breeze Hub to make it all happen. So let's have a look. So first of all, we'll come into Remote Pro and we'll have a look at the layout. So essentially, we are printing in this case on an A4 sheet of paper or something similar to letter size. And we need to design the layout as one double-sized piece. So in this case, we are going horizontal, and we have the inside of this card is the left-hand side of my design, and the right-hand side of the design is the front of the page. So when that runs through the printer, it's going to duplex and then print front and back for us. So we've got that set up. We'll then have a look at what else we need to do in here. So we'll come into photo booth settings, output settings, and we'll ensure that we are JPEG only because again, we're using the watch folder function in Breeze Hub, and we'll set the custom print size, and then we'll set our dimensions. So because we are printing the front and back side by side as one big design, essentially in this instance, the width is going to be, essentially double the height or thereabouts. So it's going to be a double width sheet of paper. So I've got that set, and then I've got duplex printing set to horizontal because the paper is going to come through duplexed horizontally. So once we've got that set, it's then a case of going over to Breeze Hub and ensuring that we've got our printer set up. So I'll come into our default printer options here. I've got my Brother laser printer selected. We'll come into the properties, and then we'll have a look and make sure that we've got the two-sided or the duplex option enabled. Now, this is going to be different from printer to printer, and it can be a little bit frustrating playing with all these settings and getting your sizing right and the duplexing directions right. So you will just have to play with it and see what works for the setup and the design that you've got. So this is what I've got in this case. It's flipping on the short edge. And then we also need to scale it up to 100%. Now, this is basically because we're reaching, when we're printing A4 on larger size formats, we're hitting the maximum that Breeze can accommodate in a layout, which is 10,000 pixels wide. So you can see here that the A4 size is 4760 by 6814, but because essentially we're designing the front and the back side by side, we need to double that 6814 to something like 13,600, which is beyond the 10,000 that Breeze can handle. So we scale the whole thing down by half. And then in the printer settings, when we go to print it, we scale it back up to 200%. If we didn't do that, then we're going to have an issue where the images will only fill the bottom quarter of the page. So again, you have to play with all these settings, and as I said, it can get a little bit frustrating trying to work all this out because you're talking about things flipping horizontally and vertically, and then you'll print all the handle at different ways as well. But once you have it all set, it's pretty straightforward. We just need to make sure that Breeze Hub is set up for watch folder printing as normal. So file preferences, downloads and printing, and we'll set our watch folder for prints. So I've got this guy here on the desktop. And we need to make sure that we are monitoring the top level of the parent folder, not the print subfolder, because we're actually using the XML files that Breeze Booth and Remote Pro generate to trigger the printing. And these files also include the information about how we want to duplex it. So make sure that we are monitoring the parent folder that's got the XMLs and the prints folder in it. Then ensure that we've got print photos enabled and any other options that you need. So once that's all set, then we can jump back into Remote Pro in this case. Get that all out of our way. And then we can run a session through. Okay, and here's our layout. So we've got the left and right hand side here, and that will come out the printer in a minute. These laser printers are a little bit slow, so it will take a moment for it to get going. But I think there's a lot of opportunity with this sort of idea. At our Photo Booth Expo last year, we showed this with customized paper aeroplanes. So you could print a double-sided design on your paper aeroplane. So when it was flying, the underside of the plane had stuff on it, as well as the top side of the plane. But I think a simple idea would be greeting cards or custom wrapping paper, that sort of thing as well. I think it's quite a good idea. So we'll just wait for this print to come out and then we'll wrap it up. Okay, here we go. So it's come out nice and hot, fresh off the printer. So we'll just fold this in half. So and then we've got like that. Now, one last little thing that I was just thinking about you could do if you're doing greeting cards, obviously, is that you could use a survey to customize the text that gets output on this, because ultimately, in this case here, it is just a text block, and we can put dynamic information in here to customize it. So anyway, that's a look at duplex printing using Breeze Hub. If you have any questions, jump into the comments and let us know.